My name is Marivic Mirasol. I am a community leader and a volunteer at the Homeless People's Dedican Philippines Incorporated here in Iloilo City. HPPI is helping its members and partner communities in various issues such as land and housing, senior security, vulnerabilities to various hazards like flooding and heat stress, access to resources like water and sustainable livelihood through capacity building, community savings program, networking, and partnership with government and private institutions. A large number of informal settler families are still living along danger and high-risk areas such as shorelines, riverbanks, and low-lying areas. The lack of adequate, resilient, and decent housing contributes in making the communities more vulnerable and highly exposed to natural and man-made hazards. The limited access to safe, clean, and potable water in most of the informal settlement areas bring health sanitation and hygiene problems. These challenges matter because they affect people's daily lives and that of the city. Through Urban, we are building the capacity of the homeowners and community associations to take an active participation in local planning, policy, and decision-making. We are strengthening our savings programs and creating platforms for dialogue and collaboration with local governments, expanding a network of partner institutions, and co-designing solutions for flood resilience and senior security. Our vision is for communities to withstand climate risk and lead the way in building inclusive and resilient cities. Continued support in our community means that vulnerable families will not be left behind. It means women, youth, and informal settlers can take part in shaping safe, sustainable, and resilient communities. With your partnership, this vision becomes possible.